Hi everyone, my name is Harsh, and today I want to talk about two opportunities that are making people multi-millionaires in Delhi NCR. These investments are giving you 3x returns in just 5 to 7 years. And this is the exact strategy that I have been following and many other investors alongside have been following, and they've becoming multi-millionaires. So the two opportunities are agricultural lands near Noida Airport, and the other one is a 7% farmer quota plot. Let's take a deeper look at agricultural lands first. So right now, EIDA authorities are acquiring so much land near Noida Airport as the city is expanding. In EIDA, the government first acquires the land and then passes it on to builders and other institutions. So EIDA authority has come out with Master Plan 2031, wherein they are saying that these are the lands, these are the villages that we are going to acquire within next 5 to 6 years. Now the opportunity is that you can buy these agricultural lands today at a price point of somewhere between 18 lakh rupees a biga. 1 biga is approximately 810 square meter in these areas. And once your land gets acquired, which is 100% certainty, you get somewhere in the range of 50 to 70 lakh rupees compensation per biga. Now, how am I saying those numbers? Because today the compensation rate is 37 lakh rupees per biga. And if you look at last 4 years, annually, year on year, they've been increasing by 18% every year. So what that means is 10 years from now, when your land gets acquired, and even if we consider just a 10% increase in muavza every year, you are looking at 60 lakh rupees a biga muavza when the land gets acquired. Now that's a jackpot, isn't it? And there's also another compensation structure which you can take. So you can take like 45 lakh rupees a biga, and then you can take additional 7% free plot. So whatever is your land area, let's say if it's 1 biga, so they give you like a 60 square meter of free plot in a nearby sector. So essentially your 18 lakh becomes 60 to 65 lakhs in just 6 years. That is a 3.5x return with a 23% CAGR annual returns. And if you want any more proof, just look at the locals in Noida and Greater Noida. That exact strategy has been playing out for many decades now, and they have become very rich. Now, for these agricultural lands, I hear two common concerns. The first concern is that what if the land acquisition doesn't happen or gets delayed? So to answer the first, land acquisition is going to happen 100%. Why? Because EIDA needs only more and more land to expand. They don't have much lands. Secondly, EIDA is being presented as an economic corridor along with such a massive infrastructure and boost from Noida Airport, right? So that means a lot of factories are going to come up. Already some of them have come up. Also, Noida and Greater Noida authorities, whenever they came out with master plans, they only expanded from there. They never shrunk. The second question is, what if the acquisition gets delayed? The good news is that every year the compensation rates are increasing. So even if there is a delay by 1 or 2 years, which is very unlikely, you will have only more compensation or muavza. Just to add to that, why would the authorities give more compensation? Because farmers, they don't want their lands to be taken away. They're always agitating, protesting. So the authorities know that fact, and they know that if they don't acquire on time and if they don't pay them a good amount, there will be very difficulties in acquiring that land. Coming to the second concern, a lot of people think encroachment, kabza. What do I do then? One, very rarely the kabza happens in these areas. Somebody at most might temporarily farm on your land. Also remember, you're buying lands under EIDA Master Plan 2031. So no matter who's living on those lands, right? The compensation will go directly into your bank account. And also my company has an investor protection program wherein if you pay us 20,000 rupees a biga, we maintain your lands. We look after your lands. A guy goes to those lands every month and then shares a WhatsApp video with you or has a live video call with you. And also we have a lot of friendly relations with the authority and the police, especially where we are buying lands. So it makes very easy for us to navigate through that. Now let me give you a very real example of this very investment and how somebody made a lot of money. So a client of mine back in 2018 bought 3 bigas of land for a total of 30 lakh rupees. And just last year that land got acquired for 1 crore 50 lakh rupees, meaning 5x return in just 6 years. You're probably wondering, how do I get started ASAP? But let's look at the second kind of investment as well so that you know both the opportunities. So the second investment is a farmer quota plot in Ida. So remember I was telling you when your land gets acquired, you get compensation money, or you can take some lower compensation and a 7% free plot. These 7% free plots are called farmer quota plot, and these plots are usually cheaper by 10 to 15% than your normal plots. They also give you option to do commercial activity on the first floor, so that means higher rental yield, as well as in the same building you can live and have your business. And last 10 years, all these plots have been appreciating by 20 to 30% annually. Much more than apartments, much more than mutual funds, much more than any other asset that you own right now. So now they trade in 3 stages and you can buy them at any of the stage and you'll make a lot of profits. The first stage is a Naksha 11 stage where a farmer gets a promise letter from the authority that in future, some years from now, they'll be given a plot. You can buy these Naksha 11 or entitlement to the future plot from a farmer just at 22,000 rupees a square meter. In next 4 to 8 years, when the possession letter comes to you, the value of the property skyrockets to at least 65,000 rupees a square meter. The second stage is the allotment letter stage, where the authority says, look, Mr. So-and-so, we are going to give you a plot of this size in this block and in this sector. It is still 1 to 3 years away from a possession letter, and that is the opportunity. You can buy this at 42,000 rupees a square meter, and whenever the possession letter comes, it hits again 65,000 rupees a square meter minimum. The third stage is the possession letter stage, where the authority says, look, this is your plot number, this is the sector, we've developed electricity, sewage, etc. You are ready to build a house and we give you 3 years to build a house. These ones you can buy at 62,000 rupees a square meter and do some construction, start living in there. Or even if not, they're still appreciating by 20 to 25% annually. So 2 nuances to this. If you're buying a plot at Naksha 11 stage or allotment letter stage, the registry does not happen on your name right away. Initially, you have to do agreement to sale, will deed, and a general power of attorney with the farmer. When the possession letter comes, only then you can do a registry on your name and the farmer comes and do the registry on your name. Let me give you a very good example of how a friend of mine turned this into a very good profit. So back in 2022, he bought a 300 square meter plot at Naksha 11 stage at just 20,000 rupees a square meter. Possession came in October 2025 and today he gets many offers at 65,000 rupees a square meter. So he just made his 20,000 rupees a square meter into 65,000 rupees a square meter in just 5.5 years. That is a 24% annual returns. Okay, so that was a lot of info and I hope you understand the video. If you don't, please feel free to ask me questions in the comments and I'll happily answer them. And if you're interested in any of these opportunities, I have a few plots and lands available in Ida, very close to Noida Airport at a very reasonable, very good price. And also if you're interested in investing in any one of these opportunities, you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp number. It's in my bio. And if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel because I make a lot of these videos where you make money and not others at your expense. So that's it from my side. Happy generational wealth.